How to create digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool Canva in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your contact information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. First of all you have to do is open your browser and know about canva.com. So let's dive into canva.com first. This is the home page. As you can see, we have home Canva. First we have design spotlights, and we have various things like visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing. First we have visual documents, we have visual codes or whiteboards. With the editor you can read the one you want and select the one you want, as you can see. Then we have photos and videos, your editor, photo collage, background remover. Then we have print, invitation, t-shirts, calendars. You can choose the one you want and select it. Then we have marketing, logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media websites, stickers, yard signs. Also we have browse Canva templates. Choose from thousands of free ready to use templates, Magic Studio or the power of place, as you can see. Then we have here what will you design today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. You can just start designing right now. So we have here various things. We have posters, resumes, logos, docs, whiteboards, presentations, social, videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, and photo editor. So here we have also a perfect fit for everyone. We have first Canva free for designing or working on anything. Get Canva free for one person here. Then we have Canva Pro for one person for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. So all you have to do is click over here, search free. As you can see, it's free and it's also pro trial. Then we have for your team, Canva teams, for teams to create together with premium workplace tools and workflows. As you can see, we have your free teams create or content cells. Here we have just by well known companies. Here we have Dana, Sony music, and a lot of things. So here we have also create a way with EA. We define the way we create with Magic Studio, our site of EA powered tools that generate copy in your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edit. Then you have design with others, invite friends and family to design with you or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features let your comments and work in real time on presentation, whiteboards, docs, videos, or the birthday party planning. Then you can just click over here and start designing. Also, we have templates for absolutely anything. Customize our office templates or design something more personal like invitation. As you can see, we have various invitation. You can just select the design you want. So here we have it. Then we have here the plan that get down to businesses empower. If we want to design together with Canva teams, here we have EA powered efficiency. Leverage EA to create brand copy templates and video editing. Bring your brand in-house, set brand kits and templates for your team to design with. Then we have approval flows easily. Control individual permissions, assign tasks and share your work. Then you can just click over here to explore Canva teams. Also we have here full of surprises. Here are some of our best treats you might not know about. Here, as you can see, we have got an apps marketplace, we have got a desktop app, businesses love us, and to make it presenting easy and the various things, as you can see. So here we have, you can just click over here if you want to find your account, if you sign up before. If you don't sign up, all you have to do is click over here, sign up. Here you can continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever. You can also use email. You can just write your email here and continue, and you confirm your email. Then you sign up and you create your digital. So creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content, information easily and efficiently. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. Firstly, we have to choose a platform or app. Select a platform or app. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards, such as Canva, Adobe Spark, Vistaprint also, and dedicated apps like here, Hi Hello, Camcard, or Hi Stock. Then step 2 is sign up or log in. Create an account or log in. If you are using an app, download it from your app store and create an account or log in if you already have one. The third step we have select a template. Browse templates. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Step 4 we have customize your digital business card. Firstly, we have add your logo, upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then enter your information, include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, websites, and any other relevant information. Then customize the design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Also, most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then we have add social media links. Include icons and links to your social media profile to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Then step 5 is save and export preview. First, we have preview your card before finalizing. Preview your digital business card to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card in your account for future edits. Then export your card. Export your digital business card as a PNG or PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. Then the last step is share your digital business card via email and via QR code. First email will have attach your digital business card to your email signature so that every email you send includes your contact information. You have also social media. Share your digital business card on your social media profiles or send it directly to your contacts. We have also QR code. If your platform provides a QR, you can print it on physical materials or display it digital or for others to scan and save your content information. By following these steps, you can create a professional and eye-catching digital business card that you can easily share with others in variety of ways. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.